Welcome guys, today I will show you how to delete your Amazon shopping account easy and quick. So pay attention in this video till the end. First, open your Amazon shopping. You will see this page here. Click on your profile in the bottom of the screen. So after this, as you see this page is loading, you have to scroll it down. You will find your account, click see all. Here you have to scroll down this list to the finish, and you have to click here on your request your data or close your Amazon account. Click here. You have to read all this carefully and click yes, I want to permanently close my account and delete my data. Click close my account and it will take you to another page, and you have to finish the other step, and that's all guys. So don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe, and bye.